Today we're with a foodie in the South for some smashed parm potatoes, so let's go ahead and get this started. I have my potatoes on the boil and we will be back when they are cooked and ready to start smashing. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get these potatoes smashed and get our butter, olive oil, and garlic mixture put on them. So I'm going to use my coffee cup here. Smash it down. And since I don't have a little brush, I am just going to use a spoon. So I mixed everything all together in this. And we'll just get everything in a nice little dollop. I'm going to continue on my way with the rest, but I'm not going to bore you guys having to watch me do them all. Alright, we got these all set to go into the oven. I'll see you again here in about 20 minutes and we'll get the parm put on. Alright, it's time to go ahead and get the parm put on these. I am not going to measure this out. Just going to shake some on there. Then we'll get it put in for the last few minutes. The rest of those are actually for a different recipe I'm doing, so I did not forget about those. Oh, look at all those little toasted bits. Hear them sizzling. We're going to get this garnished up with a little parsley, and we'll take it, plate it up, and give these a try. These are piping hot, so we're going to try our best to give these a try. You can see all that steam coming off of there. Has a really good flavor to it. I think the biggest thing is I would actually let it just cook a little longer before adding the parm. Possibly even take out the butter so maybe it gets more of a crispness. Then again, I don't know if my oven is truly set in on the temperature, so I will have to check into that just to make sure. But this is definitely worth to give a try. It's going to go good with my dinner tonight. I got some chicken and a little bit of salad. Hope you enjoy this. Give this a try. Details are down below. Thank you.